Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm super excited to share with you tonight. I got a request to do a Christmas home tour of my home. Now I'm going to show you the inside and the outside as well, because I love to decorate the outside as much as I love to do the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at the decorations that I did outside. So I did spend some time in my yard hanging these lights. It took me about 6 hours to hang these lights, but I finally did get them up, and I'm very happy the way they look. They're very pretty. They're a snowflake and they're blue, and then they have the white lights. I also went ahead and put green lights in my lanterns outside my garage doors. Over here I have my reindeer. Now he moves. And then as we head up my sidewalk here, my bushes that I have around the front here are all done in colored lights. And then these 3 palm trees here, they're called robolinis. I have 3 red bows. And then over here I went ahead and did my landscaping with these white lights. And down towards the end I have my snowman. Now he's my favorite because I love snowmen. And then behind my robolinis I have some more hedges, and they also have the colored lights. And then as we come up my sidewalk here, I'll show you what my front porch looks like. And then let me show you these snowflakes, because these are really pretty. They're like 3D, and they're blue, and then I have the strand of white lights. So over here, coming up my front doors, I have my lantern, and I did make a cute little bow for the top of it. And then I have my flickering flameless candle, and then I have my little sign here that says joy, and it's the little red truck. And then I do have my wreaths that light up on the front doors. Now I know you can't see the detail in the wreaths because it's dark out, but you can watch my video on how to make these wreaths with the buffalo check ribbon. And then my other lantern on the other side. And over here on my bench I have my 2 pillows with a little red truck on them. And then I do have a little table out here that I decorated with some cardinals, and I have a candlestick with a hat. Guys, let's go inside. And welcome to my home. I'm standing here in my foyer area as you enter my front doors, and as you can see I have my foyer table with a mirror above. Now this was cherry wood. I chalk painted that several years ago with Americano chalk paint from Home Depot. And then I have my welcome sign and my candlestick holders. They came from the Barn Antiques. If you'd like to see that video, it's a day trip at Lake Alford. They have beautiful decor, so you could check that out. And then I have my blue and silver tree. I have some owls on there. I have some dragonflies. So I think my tree came out really beautiful. And a lot of these items did come from Walmart. Moving on to my formal living room. Now I didn't decorate in here for Christmas, but I did put a wreath on my mirror because I think that always looks really nice on a mirror. Now that is a real one. Now to keep that fresh, all I do is get a little spray bottle and I give it a little bit of water every other day, and that'll keep that nice and fresh. And then this table here, again, these were cherry wood tables and I chalk painted them. Now the top of that is just regular paint. I think that's an espresso color. So I did that table there, and then of course I chalk painted this table. And of course, I chalk painted this table. So I was really having fun taking this paint and chalk painting a lot of my furniture. And then this is my dining room over here. Now the only thing I did in here was put a wreath on the mirror. Because like I said, I really like the wreaths on the mirror. I think they look really pretty. So, and my dining room's kind of small. The only thing I could fit in here is a little corner hutch, but I do have that with all my little treasures in there. And then we're going to move on to the kitchen. So if you walk through here is my kitchen. And then I will show you right here, this is where I set up my cocoa and coffee bar. And I turned the lights off. I only have a little bit of lighting on so you can see my stuff with the lights on. Now if you want to see this video, I have a video of me creating my cocoa and coffee bar. So this is my bar again, and I went ahead and added on the lettering to my jars that says chocolate. And this one's hard to read, probably because of the dark mints behind the jar, but that says peppermint. And then over here it says marshmallows. And then I have my 2-tier tray that I decorated for the bar. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to take you into my family room. I think this is the favorite part of my house. I'm going to turn the lights on, but I have the fireplace going. Right now in Florida, it was pretty cold today. It was in the 60s, and tonight it's getting down in the 40s. So what a perfect time to light the fireplace. It's so cozy and warm. There we go. I turn the lights on, and you can see now I have a real big family room. I think this is my favorite part of the house. So let me show you what I did in here. I have my little red truck tray here with my flameless candles. And then over here I went ahead and put a little Christmas pillow. It says letters to Santa. And I have my wreath on my window. And I put a little snowman cling on the window there. And it's hard to see, but on the other window are little snowflakes. And then over here, I have my mantle all decorated for Christmas. And I like the ideas of the bulbs hanging from the fireplace. And I have some candlesticks and my flameless candles. And these little lighted wreaths, those came from Kirkland's. And then the wreath on my window, those came from Kirkland's. And then I have the little cling-ons on the little windows. Let's go take a look inside my kitchen and see what kind of decorating I did inside here. Now I went ahead and decorated this tray for Christmas with these reindeer. I got these at an estate sale for a couple dollars, and I incorporated some buffalo check. I have my Christmas greenery, and I have this cute little snowman sign that says let it snow. And then I have my salt and pepper shakers with roosters, and then in the back I have the silver tree. So I think this came out really cute. So over here I have my Bath & Body Works candles. Now they are my favorite candle, and they just smell amazing. Now today when I was out at TJ Maxx, I found this candle ring holder for $5.99 and this candle holder for only $4.99. So I thought that was a really great deal. And then over here, that little bulb came from Bath & Body Works, and this little magnet, so that sits on top of your candle. I think that's super cute. I have these little red truck dish towels, and then above my microwave, I made these wreaths with my buffalo check ribbon, and I made these little bows. So if you'd like to make these, check out my crafty DIY projects. And then over here, when I was at TJ Maxx, I found this cute little blackboard sign in green. So this matches my cabinets and has a little bird on top. And I thought that was super cute. And I wrote Merry Christmas. Now I want to tell you about the cabinets. I went ahead and chalk painted these several years ago. Now I used an Annie Salone Chate gray. Now they're not gray at all, they're green. Now at the time that was a popular color. I didn't want to do white or off-white because at the time I had some white appliances, so I didn't think that would look too good. But I went ahead and added a little detailing. And then I added these little rosettes to add some more detail to my cabinets. So I'm really happy the way these came out. And it's a super easy project. Of course it takes time because you have a lot of cabinets, but all I did was I worked in sections at a time. So I would take off like maybe these 3 doors, and I would paint them and let them dry, and then I would put them back. That way you don't make a huge mess and have everything taken apart inside your kitchen. And then I went ahead and we updated our appliances with the black stainless steel, so I think that looks really nice. So then I have one more project that I want to show you that I worked on. Now you can see this video. This is my 3-tier tray. If you'd like to make this, I incorporated the buffalo check reindeer. I have these little lighted trees. And I have this cute little lantern with the little tea light that flickers. Then there's a snowman, and then I use cotton balls on each of the trays. So I'm really happy the way this came out. I think that's super cute. And then I have this runner here. I believe this came from Kirkland's. Now let's see if I can get it over here, but it's kind of hard. But on the end has a little red truck. These also came from Kirkland, these wreaths with the red and black buffalo check bow. Now these are for your bar stools, so I thought that was a really cute idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed my home tour, and I hope this inspires you to decorate your home for the holidays. Now if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY decorating and fun projects. And until next time, happy decorating!